Anyone here ever been to an audition? Yeah. Two of you. Disappointing. I thought this would be a room of budding stars. But I still can't see any of you. Sitting down there. You look like Jesus.
It's the second coming!
Oh, it's the second coming. Yeah.
Not the first time you've experienced that, is it?
Hello. You don't look like Jesus.
Thank you.
But, lovely either way. As well as I was saying, auditions. This next young lady is on her way toward an audition. Do we wish her luck, ladies and gentlemen? Not get her hopes up too much. I mean, if she's not good enough for radio, let's hope she has a backup plan. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Kitten Von Mew!
That's right, folks. You're listening to 102 KVM Radio, brought to you by Aunt Jenny's Pancake Flour. Sift all your troubles away. Next up, it's Little Brown Teapot by Men Glinner.
Mr. Weinstein, Kitten Von Mew is here for her audition.
Well, don't just stand there like a tourist on safari. This ain't no monkey joint, sweet cheeks. This is radio. We're looking for the next big thing, see? You want to be a wee soldier's sweetheart, doll? 'Cause that could be you know. You want to be a radio star, don't you? Why, you could be doing powdered egg jingles before Friday. Well, sing something then. Open your mouth, sugar, and wiggle your diaphragm.
No one to walk with, all by myself. No one to talk with, 'cause I'm happy on the shelf. In the statement, I'm shaking my love for you. I know for certain the one I love. I'm through with flirting, it's just you I'm thinking of. In this behaving, I'm saving my love for you. Like Jack Horner in the corner, don't go nowhere. What do I care? Your kisses are worth waiting for. Believe me, I don't stay out late, got nowhere to go. I'm home about it, just me and my radio. In misbehaving, I'm saving my love for you.
She's fired. Sorry, doll. If I have to watch you poke that handkerchief in your eye one more time, I'm gonna kill myself. You have any of the skills that don't require you to speak.
Well, I do have one other skill.
Are you kidding? You're hired.
Oh,